guys, welcome to my channel. What's this? Oh. We are going to make a blooming flower, and our materials are crayons, scissors, and paper. First, let's make flower. Petals on the flower. Now we need to put paper flower in the one right here. Wow! Look, guys, it's blooming.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah,
We
look.
gotta wait for some time.
Look, Mom, it's already blooming. But watch it, Mom. Let's watch it bloom. Let's watch it bloom, Mom. Let's watch it bloom.
Nice. Nice and flower.
Look, guys, the flower bloom. But time to move this. Look. There, it's moving. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.